How to add bank account to Discover app. Download and install the Discover mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. If you already have the app installed, ensure it's up to date. Open the app and log in using your Discover username and password. Click on the transfer option. Then click on Tap Manage or Add External Accounts. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter the required information for the bank account you want to add. This includes the bank name, account number, and routing number. After entering the bank information, Discover may need to verify the account. This verification process may involve small test deposits to your bank account. You will need to confirm. Once the verification process is completed, you should receive a confirmation. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.